Hello everybody. Yes, in this video right here we're going to be working on habits, how to deal with habits, how to change habits. Primarily for me, how to crush habits. I've tried changing habits, I've tried other forms of this. I find myself slipping back to some of my old habits. So recently I've decided to experiment with something, and it's working pretty fine for me. So if anybody's out there is trying to figure out how to change some of your habits or how to be more consistent. One, if you can't get an accountability partner to help you stay consistent with a new habit, I would recommend trying to crush your current habits, which you're trying to get rid of. Crush them with a bunch of other habits. I've experimented with that, and these are some of my findings. First, I had to find various ways to crush a habit. It all started when a friend of mine gave me a rebounder. You know, the little trampoline thing, gave me a rebounder. I said, oh, okay, let me start doing that a little bit. And then I'm thinking, oh, that's gonna be a new habit. Right there, I found out that's a new habit. So I said, okay, let me pick another new habit. I said, let me eat a little bit better. I said, okay, let me stay hydrated a little bit better. So I've been doing this for a few days, a few weeks now. Actually, it's a few weeks. I've been doing it a few weeks now. And I've noticed that some of the other habits which I was trying to, should I say, not do or just get rid of, were slowly just somehow I just felt that they were leaving. If that makes sense. I just felt them leaving. Because these new habits I introduced into myself, I tried to make sure I instilled that habit, like the rebounder, like taking a walk, eating healthier, waking up a little bit earlier. Not too much earlier, just a little bit earlier. If you wake up one hour earlier, or 30 minutes earlier, or 15 minutes earlier than you did before, you're still winning. It's the little wins that count. So, habits is like, figure out what habit is causing you to live in a routine, because the habit causes us to live in such a routine, and that routine is what keeps us going forward. So think of the habits you have. Doesn't matter if they're good or bad. Don't judge them. They're just habits. They're programs. You can reprogram them. Just pick them out. Pick them out. List them out. Look at them. And figure out a game plan for you, best suited for you, knowing fully well those habits you've pointed out will take you a good 4, 5, 6 days to start to change it. Unless you are a disciplined person, 100%, you can flip it over immediately. If you're not as disciplined, you don't have any accountability, you slip back a little bit, you don't take responsibility, you might be dealing with that habit change. I call it a habit change. It's a time frame. Like when you take off a light, there's a little afterglow. This is like a habit frame. So when you're able to remove that and understand that, which is about 4 to 7 days, then you can then keep putting on additional habits. You can even pick another habit, which is very simple. Stand up straighter. Be more in command of your life. And just note it in your mind that, okay, I'm doing this just to, we gotta add a new habit. After 30 days, you'll be fine. I don't want to make this video a long video, but I just wanted to get that out to you. For all those of you who are out there who might be like having difficulties dealing with certain habits, they keep slipping back in. Let them slip back in. Crush it with another good habit, or 2 or 3 just to be on the safe side. Habits, they don't like that because they're going to be pushed out. So from me to you, I hope that helps those of you out there who are having some hurdles in dealing with habits and how to change habits. Crush them. Have a great time. See you next video.